Hello friends, welcome back JavaTCoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar. Today I am going to tell you how we can create the Maven web project and how we can create the war file of that project and how we can deploy on the Tomcat server. So firstly, go to the Eclipse IDE. I am using the STS IDE. So go to the file, new, click on the other option, Maven project, click on the next, and here we have to select the web app artifact or group ID. Next, provide the group ID com.maven.JavaTCoding test Maven web project. Also we can provide the version, so no need to this, we can keep it as it is. Click on the finish. Here Maven web project has been created. It's a default structure of the Maven web project. So here is the com.xml. This is the by default JUnit dependencies added, and here it is showing the error. Why it is showing the error in JSP? So it's a HTTP servlet, so servlet dependency and the JSP dependency is required. So go to the Maven Central repository, click on Central Maven repository and search servlet. This is the servlet, Java servlet API. Select any one of them. Latest I will take, copy this Maven dependency and add it into the com.xml. Inside the dependencies, we have to add it under this. Also we have to add the JSP dependency, Java server pages. We can take this one, copy and add into the com.xml. and Control S. So here JavaX servlet and JavaX servlet JSP API, these two dependencies added. So here now it is not showing any error. Alright, and now I will change the GRE because I am going to deploy this application Maven project on the Java 8. So just remove Java because it's default. It will edit the default when we create the Maven web project. Next, Java 8 we have selected already. Click apply and this apply. Now I will create one package com.JavaTCoding.test. Click on finish. Now I will create a one servlet class. Hello servlet. Click on finish. So this is this, we have to extend this class. extend with HTTP servlet. Right, now we have to add the doGet method. The response set content type, and the response text plain response dot get writer dot write Maven web project deployed on Tomcat server. Right, set content, not the content length, content type. Right, let's see. So hello servlet.java, it's ready. Now we can build this project. Firstly, clean and install building the Maven web project. Build successfully. WAR file is getting generated. Here is the location where is the WAR file has been generated in the Maven web project inside the target. So see, I will refresh here. This is the WAR file has been created successfully. Now I will deploy this WAR file on the Tomcat server. So where is the Tomcat? This is the path of the Tomcat, and we have to start. Tomcat server is getting starting. Yes, it is. Yes, it's started Tomcat server. Now go to there, refresh this page, and here is the option to select the WAR file to upload. Click on the choose file. Where is the our project under the software project, web application, Maven web project, inside the target. This is the WAR file. Click open and just click on the deploy. So here the Maven web project is deployed successfully. Just click on this. Here we got the result. So here this JSP file, this is the hello word is printed. Now we have to web servlet Now to invoke the web servlet, hello, click on S, Control S, clean this project first, Maven clean, clean successfully. Now click on the Maven install, the war file will getting created. So let's see, it's building the application. Yeah, latest war file has been generated. Now again I will undeploy this one and deploy it again. Click on deploy. Yes, it's deployed it again. We have to restart the server, shut down, starting up. See, server is started. Firstly, we have to uninstall, undeploy this war file. This is the old war file, and deploy the new war file. This is created, just we have built this war file. Click on deploy, Maven project. Why it's not accessing? This is not deployed, so we have to check it. Here the oh, we have to forget the slash hello. Now again we have to build this project. Clean, firstly we have to clean. It's cleaned successfully. Now build the project again. Maven installed. Built successfully. The war file has been generated in this particular location. First, I will restart the server, shut down, start up. Okay. Undeploy the old one and deploy the new war file. Yeah, this is the latest war file and deploy. Now, yes, it's working. And hello. Yes, Maven web project is deployed on Tomcat server successfully. That means this server has been executed successfully, and this message is printed on the browser. Alright, so in this way we can create the Maven web project and create the war file, as we can see, and also we have deployed the project on the Tomcat server. Right, so thank you. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe. Thanks.